All right, guys, look at what we have on the menu today at Exhaust Addicts. The leader of Darksiders Car Club. There'll be a link in the description for him. We'll see if we can get you guys on Instagram. He brought his music machine, the music van, and he said, I want it ungodly loud. I said, you brought it to the right guys. So he just put some nice, sexy wheels on it. As you guys can see, some new rubber there. And then what we did is we took this massive converter, massive contraption of pipe, all this pipe off, everything, and replaced it with side pipes. Because you know what? Why not? There's the headers up there on each side. Then it goes down. 2 high flow converters there and there to compensate for this converter. And then we ran 2 1/4 pipe on each side there and there and installed massive 5-inch angle cut tips to finish the look. Look at this thing. It is just massive. I love it. Check it out. You guys are going to be pleasantly surprised how loud this thing will be. So stay tuned and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there they are, side pipes out the side. Right there. 5-inch by 18. Addicts. So next car shows you guys go to and you see this van, tell them you heard it on Exhaust Addicts. Wow. That is so loud. Oh my God. $116. Again? What do you think, Big Mike? You approve? Oh, yeah. That sounds so mean, bro. Side pipes. Because why not? It's got the 5.8 liter in it. That is crazy. I love it. What do you guys think? Out of a 93 E-250. One more. As you can see inside, there's all the speakers set up, and there's more speakers and more speakers all over. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So loud, guys. It sounds mean, man. It's so funny. Oh yeah, hey Smoke. You can still hear it. That's awesome.